Hey guys, today is day 3 of my quarantine and yeah, I am fine. I don't have right now any symptoms and I am feeling better also. Continuously I am taking Kada and also there is a bit of heat which is generating in my body. So that's completely fine. I have eruption of some pimples also. So yeah, today's what to say, everything is fine. Only the thing is which we need to talk is the stigma which is related to COVID-19. Means the time I was not diagnosed with COVID-19, I was thinking that people are not having this much of stigma. But today, in the early morning when I got up, I saw that outside people are talking that why I was here. So even to my landlord also they are complaining. So that's fine, it's okay because you are living in India. So in India people are related with the stigma. So I only want to talk today is please remove the stigmatization. The person who is suffering may be already occupied with so many mental issues, so many things, anxiety, what gonna be in this 10 to 12 days is I will be having some symptoms which can be a severe, because today afternoon I was feeling like a bit of weakness in my body. So but that can be not related to the COVID also. But yeah, I took warm water. I'm taking continuously warm water. I took early morning the coconut water also. So I'm feeling better. So there is no such thing that I'm not better. I'm fine. And I'm updating to my doctor also that I don't have right now any symptoms. And I am active on Instagram continuously because people are helping me out there to talk, and even blessed to have so many people in my life who are continuously talking to me and giving me courage. So that's fine, and that's all for today's, because there is no new update which I should say. But only thing is this day should pass out as soon as possible. I'm working. I'm not such working anything, like I'm not doing some college work also. My mind is not occupied with any of the work, but I will try to start my work also because I have some pending works which need to be done. So I will be focusing on that by tomorrow. I know आज करे जो कल करे सो आज कर, आज करे सो अब पल में परले होएगी मोहरी करेगा कब, दैट आई अंडरस्टूड. But right now I think my health is more important. So yeah, that's all. For the positivity I would say that please be connected to the people who are having a COVID-19, because I don't think they need a physical availability of a person, but I think mentally you should be attached to that person. So this is what I felt, and I can able to do my household chores by own. I'm taking a regular diet and water, very important. And I told you the 3 things which I am doing every hourly. That is not every hourly, but yeah, 4 to 5 times a day I'm doing a gargling and taking a steam. That is more important. So that's all. Hope you all are fine, and yeah, I'll be recover soon. And I think the Norset forms which were available, it's closed by today. I didn't fill that form because I don't know when I will be like out of this quarantine, as the exam is supposed to be on 1st, but I think the news is coming that it will be on 20th September. So yeah, other forms I will be filling, no problem. So hope everybody is fine, and those who are also in the quarantine, please be connected to the people. If any help is required, you can drop a message. I will be helping you out. Okay, bye bye.